Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Daily Interior Design Inspo. I am your host, Betsy Helmuth, and today we have a lineup of fantastic topics that will inspire you to elevate your living spaces. Whether you are in NYC, Westchester, New Jersey, Connecticut, or Washington, D.C., we have got you covered with affordable and modern design ideas. Let us dive right in. First up, we are talking about a delightful find from Costco that is sure to add some charm and comfort to your sofa. Danielle Blundell, home editor and director at Apartment Therapy, recently shared her excitement about these $8 knot pillows she discovered on a Costco run. Decorative pillows have been evolving with fun and unique shapes over the past few years, from ball pillows to shells, waves, squiggles, and even pyramids. Among these trendy designs are knot pillows, which add a dimensional and curved form to your pillowscape. Traditional throw pillows tend to be square or rectangular and fairly flat, so these new shapes can really bring some visual interest to your space. Now, let us talk about the price. Many of these trendy pillows start in the high-end market, and I do not know about you, but I am not looking to spend $145 on a knot pillow if I do not have to. That is why Danielle was thrilled to find these $8 knot pillow dupes at Costco. While they may not be made of wool like the Design House Stockholm versions, they are still cozy and stylish. These Costco gems come in 4 colors: green, ivory, navy, and pink, and they are about 11 inches in diameter, making them a perfect decorative statement for your sofa, chair, or bed. Made of polyester, these pillows are perfect for casual lounging with their plush exterior and a bit of cushioning. Danielle mentions that they would look super fun in a kid's room, but the ivory color is particularly sophisticated if you want a more elevated feel in your living room or bedroom. If you do not have a Costco membership, do not worry. TJ Maxx also offers a similar velvet knot pillow in ivory for $16.99. TJ Maxx has a broader range of colors, including warm tones like oranges and pinks, so it is worth checking out if you are looking for something specific. Danielle is not the only one who has noticed these stylish pillows at Costco. Reviews from customers highlight how cozy and cute they are. One reviewer wrote, "So cute," and another mentioned, "You just cannot have enough pillows." Danielle agrees and plans to snatch up a few more to add some visual variety to her pillowscape. These knot pillows are an affordable way to bring some fun and style to your home decor, and at just $8, it is a deal you do not want to miss. Ever since the cottagecore trend first exploded onto the zeitgeist in 2020, its cozy, vintage-inspired aesthetic has remained popular in the home decor sphere. One of the core tenets of the modern cottagecore design is a bold, old-fashioned storybook vibe, and one TikToker is taking that idea to the extreme. Cleveland-based TikToker Lauren Juarez, known as Lauren Juarez, posted a video on June 15th documenting her DIY process for adding a bookish-inspired cottagecore vibe to the ceilings in her bedroom, and it went viral. "Is somebody going to match my freak? Staple 300 pages to your ceiling for the cottagecore aesthetic," she wrote in the video, which shows her doing just that. Since Lauren shared her video, it has received over 1,100 likes and solicited plenty of opinions from viewers, both for and against the DIY project. "It is cute, but I would be scared of spiders nesting in there," one TikToker said. "Fire department's enemy," another joked. Meanwhile, plenty of other TikTokers were fully on board with Lauren's cottagecore approach. "I did this on a wall once with Scotch tape. Stapling is so much smarter, LMAO," one commenter wrote. As Lauren noted in her comment section, since she has a slanted, textured ceiling, using a stapler ultimately worked much better for her space. "Wait now, I want to do this to my walls," a fourth TikToker said. "I hate the color of them so much." Of course, creating a bookish accent wall is not the only way to add some cottagecore coziness to your bedroom. The design trend is characterized by florals, gold accents, and delicate yet intricate detailing, and there are plenty of ways to bring this aesthetic to your home, not just bedrooms. You can match Lauren's freak by taking your own quick trip to an antique store, thrift store, or local library to stock up on vintage or dated books to recreate the same kind of cottagecore vibe in your space. Next up, we have a truly inspiring house tour that showcases a stylish and modern loft shared by a family of 5. Adrienne Bro, house tour director, recently took us inside this exceptional living space located in Hartford, Connecticut. The family, led by Anais Prince, a documentary wedding photographer, and her husband, have rented this 1,400 square foot loft apartment for 10 years. Over that time, their home and family have evolved to include 3 children, making this 2-bedroom apartment their cozy and functional sanctuary. Anais describes their apartment as a 2-bedroom loft, which technically means it is a 1-bedroom with a loft. Their bedroom has no doors, adding to the open and airy feeling of the space. The loft is located in a converted factory building, featuring exposed brick and concrete, giving it an industrial yet warm aesthetic. One of the standout features of this apartment is the single large window that overlooks the city, allowing the family to enjoy stunning sunrises and sunsets. Despite the challenges of keeping a tidy home with 3 kids, Anais and her husband have done an impressive job of maintaining an organized space where everything has its place. Anais credits much of their organizational success to her husband, who is a carpenter and has built all of the furniture in their apartment. This not only adds a personal touch to their home, but also ensures that each piece of furniture is tailored to their specific needs and space constraints. The loft's decor reflects the family's love for modern design. From the dining table, which features a top made from an old high school woodshop table and legs crafted from pipes, to the thoughtfully curated art and accessories, every element in their home tells a story. Green chairs from Blue Dot and white chairs from IKEA surround the custom dining table, while a storybook case from Design Within Reach adds both function and style. In the living area, the coffee table, also made by Anaïs's husband, serves as a central piece complemented by a thrifted painting framed by him as well. A record credenza, another of his creations, adds to the room's unique charm. The wall hanging, which was a gift, and an Anthony Burrell print further personalize the space, making it a true reflection of the family's tastes and memories. Anais admits that while she wishes her kids were a bit more tidy, the family has managed to create a harmonious living environment where modern design meets practical functionality. Their loft not only accommodates their daily needs, but also provides a beautiful backdrop for family life, filled with bespoke furniture and meaningful decor. This house tour is a testament to how thoughtful design and clever organization can transform a rental space into a loving home, even for a bustling family of 5. In our next segment, we are diving into the world of powerful cleaning agents and discussing whether trisodium phosphate, commonly known as TSP, is too dangerous to use for cleaning. This topic was recently covered by Barbara Belisi Zito, a freelance writer from Staten Island, who specializes in real estate and home improvement. Barbara's insightful article sheds light on this controversial cleaning agent, and today we are going to break it down for you. So, what exactly is trisodium phosphate? TSP is an odorless powder that is composed of 75% trisodium phosphate and 25% sodium carbonate. When diluted in hot water, it creates a potent cleaning solution capable of removing dirt, grease, and even soot from various surfaces. TSP has been recommended for cleaning and prepping surfaces like brick fireplaces, cabinets, and walls, especially if you are planning to paint or restain them. Interestingly, the United States Food and Drug Administration has approved TSP as an ingredient in toothpaste and as an additive in processed foods like breakfast cereal. However, since 2010, TSP has been banned in certain areas due to its environmental impact. Phosphate runoff from TSP can harm vegetation and pollute rivers and other waterways, making it a controversial choice for cleaning. If you decide to use TSP for cleaning, it is crucial to take safety precautions. First and foremost, always read the instructions carefully to ensure you are using the proper amount for your cleaning task. Performing a spot test on an inconspicuous area is highly recommended to avoid any potential discoloration or damage to the surface. Let us walk through the steps for safely using TSP. Step 1. Prep for safety. Make sure to ventilate the area you are working in and cover anything you are not cleaning with a plastic sheet. Most importantly, wear eye goggles, a mask, and chemical-resistant gloves. Wearing a long-sleeve shirt and pants is also advisable to protect your skin. Step 2. Mix the solution. Typically, you will use half a cup of TSP for every 2 gallons of hot water. For lighter cleaning tasks, you can reduce the amount to a quarter cup, but still dilute it in 2 gallons of hot water. Ensure the water is hot so that the powder dissolves properly, and remember to wear gloves to avoid burning yourself. Step 3. Dampen a sponge. Submerge the sponge in the TSP solution and then wring it out so it is damp but not dripping. This will help you avoid getting the TSP solution on areas you do not intend to clean. Step 4. Clean. Begin scrubbing the surface from the bottom and work your way up. This technique helps prevent streaking. Dip and wring out the sponge as needed during the cleaning process. Step 5. Wipe or rinse. After you have cleaned the surface, it is important to rinse or wipe it down with cold water. Soak a clean sponge in cold water and swipe it over the cleaned area to remove any remaining TSP. This will help prevent a white film from forming on the surface. Now, you might be wondering what types of surfaces you can clean with TSP. TSP is often used for prepping walls and other surfaces for a new coat of paint or stain, but it has a variety of other uses as well. Online reviews highlight its effectiveness in restoring wood furniture covered in soot after a fire, cleaning dog messes from brick surfaces, power washing home siding, cleaning windows and roof shingles, sanitizing hot tub filters, removing adhesive from wallpaper, getting ink out of carpet, stripping smoke stains from walls, and erasing grease stains from driveways, grills, and even some fabrics. However, there are certain surfaces that should never be cleaned with TSP. Avoid using TSP on glass and tile, as its acidic nature can etch the surface and destroy the grout. It is also not suitable for hardwood, as it will darken the wood. Shiny surfaces should be avoided as well, since TSP can strip paint and turn glossy finishes matte. So, is TSP safe to use? The answer is yes, but with caution. TSP is a very strong cleaning agent, and taking the proper precautions is essential. Always work in a well-ventilated area and use protective gear, just as you would with other powerful cleaning products. If you find that TSP is too strong for your liking, there are alternative heavy-duty commercial cleaners available. Products like Crude Cutter and Simple Green are often billed as TSP substitutes. Simple Green in particular is non-toxic and has been deemed a safer choice by the Environmental Protection Agency, making it a potentially safer option for your household. Now let us finish up today's episode with some exciting news for all you cleaning enthusiasts out there. If you have been on social media at any point in the last few years, you have probably come across the Bissell Little Green Upholstery Cleaner. This little machine gained viral fame for its ability to tackle messes on sofas, car seats, rugs, you name it. It quickly became a beloved household item, affectionately known as the Little Green Machine. Well, I have some fantastic news. Bissell has recently released an updated version of this cleaner called the Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam Carpet Cleaner, and it has already become a fan favorite. And guess what? It is currently 30% off at QVC, bringing the price down from $286 to just $199.98. But before you rush to add it to your cart, let us talk about what makes this new version so great. The Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam Carpet Cleaner is a compact and portable steam cleaner designed to work wonders on upholstery, carpet, and household fabrics. This updated model comes with some impressive new features specifically aimed at making light work of pet messes. It includes 3 new cleaning modes: steam mode for cleaning hard surfaces and disinfecting upholstery, wash mode for enzyme-based pet accidents, and steam wash, which combines the two for particularly tough and oily messes. One of the biggest upgrades is the addition of 4 removable wheels, which make moving it from room to room a breeze. It also boasts better suction and a quieter run, making it even more user-friendly. When tested last year, it received glowing reviews. Caroline Mullen, a writer who upgraded from the original Little Green to the new Hydro Steam, shared her experience. I loved the original Little Green because it sucked dirt and grime right out of my carpet and couch cushions, but the Hydro Steam is somehow even more powerful, requiring fewer passes over the surface to effectively extract stains and moisture, she said. So whether you are a pet owner dealing with frequent messes or simply looking for a powerful upgrade to your cleaning arsenal, the Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam Carpet Cleaner is a fantastic choice. And at 30% off, it is a deal you do not want to miss. You can purchase it right now at QVC for just $199.98, and it even comes with a bottle of the Bissell Pet Pro Ox-Y Spot and Stain Urine Eliminator with Stain Protect formula. That wraps up today's episode of Daily Interior Design Inspo. Thank you for joining me, Betsy Helmuth, as we explored some of the latest and greatest in home decor and cleaning solutions. Remember, whether you are sprucing up your living room with trendy pillows, transforming your bedroom into a cottagecore haven, or keeping your loft organized and stylish, there is always a way to make your space beautiful without breaking the bank. See you next time.